In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forecasting tools in HubSpot like a pro. We're about to embark on a 5-minute masterclass designed to enhance your skills with this powerful platform. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to fine-tune your abilities, these insights will help you leverage forecasting tools to their fullest potential. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot serves as a hub for all your business needs, making it essential to start at its central interface. Once you are on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. This step is straightforward, but if you haven't already set up your account, be sure to have your login credentials handy. This will ensure a smooth transition into your HubSpot system. After successfully logging in, it's time to navigate to your HubSpot home screen. From this central dashboard, you can access a wide array of tools and features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be your base of operations. On this home screen, you'll see various options listed in your menu bar. The one we're interested in today is the reporting section, so click on that. Reporting is where HubSpot consolidates all the valuable data your business generates, offering insights that can drive your decision-making processes. Within the reporting area, you'll find a forecast option, so go ahead and click there. Forecasting is an essential tool for predicting and planning future sales outcomes, helping to align your teams and set achievable business targets. This feature is a game changer for businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve, allowing you to see potential revenue projections and adjust strategies accordingly. Now, once inside the forecast section, the next step is to create a goal. Creating a goal in HubSpot's forecasting tool is crucial because it gives your team a target to aim for, ensuring everyone is aligned and motivated. Simply click on the Create Goal button to get started. When setting a goal, consider the metrics that matter most to your business and use past data to inform realistic and challenging targets that will inspire growth and performance. As you engage with these steps, take note of HubSpot's intuitive interface designed to facilitate an efficient workflow. Remember, using these forecasting tools effectively means regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals to reflect actual business conditions and market changes. With that, you're well on your way to mastering HubSpot's forecasting tools. By integrating this practice into your regular business routine, you can harness the power of analytical insights to make informed decisions that drive success. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you find these tools helpful, and remember to visit back for more insightful classes to boost your HubSpot prowess.